Hello, Epic Help here. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brake pads on a 2005 Hyundai Elantra. Here's the list of tools that I used for this job. Don't forget to block the front tires before jacking up your car and securing it with jack stands. So the first thing I want to do is remove this cap from the brake fluid reservoir. So this is loosened. After you take off the two 14mm bolts from the caliper, next take the caliper apart. Notice the brake pads are still next to your rotor. You will take those brake pads off next. Connect the E adapter to your caliper wind tool. Position the tool over as shown and turn clockwise. It turns slowly, so be patient. I push this in, so now you put the new brake pads on. You just slide them in, slide it to the bottom and the top of the metal shim, and it's in. That's the back part of the brake pad, and then we also do the front part. See the metal shim goes up, and then there's one at the bottom. Okay, there they are, they're in. And then this comes right over it. It should slide on fairly simply. Then you got to put your two 14mm bolts in the back. Do them by hand first, so you don't possibly strip out the caliper or mess up the bolt. Make sure you tighten up the 14mm bolts when you are done installing the brake pads. And whenever you're done with the brake job, make sure to put this cap back on. Thank you for watching Epic Help.